Hello everyone, in this video I will give you the name of the top 50 UB Constable candidate of the Garo category of Meghalayapolice. The name of the candidate are number 1, Binjurita Mumin is a female. Number 1, she scored a total of 302. 2. Madhuka Dighe Sangma, total 286. Silent Moment 276, Jacob Lal Rem Tulanga Sangma 272, Dechang E Sangma 272, Hubert and Marak 268, Junchang Marak 268, Rian Sampras Sangma 262, Babit Chon Di Sangma 262, Mandrik Bidaman Marak 260, Zulu Nigobar Areng 258, Jack Rimra Di Shira 258, Wanseng Graham Marak 254, Anilesh and Sangma 254, Chuchong Marak 252, Terak R Sangma 252, Wilnat T Sangma 250, Sanjay Marak 248, Bridgetson Sangma 248, Lokilita W Sangma 248, Geobat R Marak 246, Balthazar and Marak 246, Alberan D Marak 244, Chingche Marak, the third from female 244, Angelius D Sangma 244, Chugan A Sangma 244, Kainbert R Marak 244, Linda R Marak 242, Balsrang R Marak 242, Liu Chan Sangma 242, Pantera A Sangma 240, Tengrim Gabil Momin 238, Kalseng P Marak 238, Banshan Bor Marak 238, Chisak Wasa Momin 236, Willow R Marak 236, Lutan Sangma 236, Bilip CH Marak 236, Mohammad Chi R Marak 236, Frankie Momin 234, Briantu Karan Marak 234, Chengsera G Momin 234, Silrak Di Sangma 234, Marybird R Marak 234, Bakam Vegara and Sangma 234, Whitnell Sangma 234, Trihit A Sangma 234, Terak Belgrik K Marak 234, Suchitra B Marak 234, and number 50, serial number 50, Changchi CH Marak 234. And the female, there are 8 female candidates in this top 50. And in the next video I will release till 100 and 100 plus candidate. If there are any name missing, just comment in the comment section and I will add in the next video. Thank you.